the toilet.
The toilet? Good idea. Oh dear, the toilet is closed for cleaning.
But I really need to go. There's a public toilet just down the road. Skibidi Toilet.
Peppa and her family have found a toilet.
Let's join the queue.
But the queue for the toilet is very, very long.
I'm not sure I can wait that long.
There's a toilet in the supermarket. Let's try there. Oh.
They try the zoo.
Sorry, Peppa. This toilet needs fixing. Oh!
They even try a toilet shop.
I'm sorry, but these toilets are for display purposes only. Look! The cinema toilet is open again.
But now the film has ended.
Looks like we'll have to watch it from the start. Does anyone need the toilet first?